Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's a beautiful buttercream textured cake with a marbleized effect and also with a rice paper sails. So if you guys want to see how I made this, we'll keep on watching. So this cake was a 6-inch cake. I did my one coat, my second coat of buttercream, and you can choose any color that you want. I went with a lighter shade of teal. I used Wilton, but you can use any color that you want. But many times you guys ask me what color I've been using, and I keep forgetting, and I'm so sorry. So this particular cake, I used Teal by Wilton. I will link everything down below. It was a gel food coloring, and then I didn't want it too dark. I wanted like quite not light, but in the middle. So I added more white buttercream while I was mixing with my color, and then when I was satisfied, that's what I used. So by the way, the less gel food coloring, it's better to use less than more, because you can go darker, but it's difficult to go from dark to light, if that makes sense, or else you're going to be stuck with a lot of buttercream. So start with a little bit, then when you like the color, then you stay with that, and if you don't like it, then add a little bit more, but always add a little at a time. So once everything was nice and crisp, I went ahead and then placed a little bit of white buttercream onto my cake, and then I scrape it off using my scraper, but I didn't want it to be like perfectly scraped off. So I wasn't going for that perfect marble look. I really wanted that texture to appear on my cake, so I left it like that. So then I added also a stucco effect by simply using paper towel, and then you dip it, or you grab a little bit of buttercream, and then you just place it like that onto your cake. Not a lot, just a little bit, and then the buttercream, what it will do is it will stick to your cake, and then you just go like this. So like that, it creates a stucco effect. And then I also added mini pearls by Sweet Apolita. You can use my code LilianaSprings15 for 15% off also. And then what I did is that I used rice paper, which is spring rolls basically. So what you need to do is very simple, is simply a bowl of water, warm water, it doesn't matter. You cut these to the size that you want, and then you just place it inside the water. If you want them to be colored, you just place a little bit of gel food coloring inside your water, or even liquid, so it will tint your color. And then just put your spring roll inside, so that you'll see it's going to come like very flexible, and then you just place it on top of parchment paper. And then you have two options. I know in the past I was showing you to let it air dry overnight, but I also tried, because many of you were telling me, can we do it on the oven? And actually yes. So what I did is that I pop it in the oven on very low, and until it was completely dry, and then it was ready to go. So that was a great way of saving time. So yes, it works. Pop it in the oven, lowest temperature ever, and then it will eventually dry, and then you can use it right away. Obviously, because it comes hard, you can literally just insert it into your cake, or just place a little bit of buttercream onto your cake and then glue your paper rice cell. But it stays really nice. It doesn't undo its shape. When you put it in the fridge, the shape stays. It's because that was a lot of questions that you guys had for me, like, does it keep its shape? Does it go back to like a soft texture? No, it stays hard. Once it's completely dry, it stays hard. And it takes a lot to, like, it does break if you break it, but like it won't break like easily. And that was basically it. So I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.